The question belongs to the mathematical induction. Prove by the mathematical induction that all positive integrals value of n. The question is 5 having power n minus 2 having power n is divisible by 3. It means that n is equal to 1 first. 5, 1 minus 2 having power 1. 5 minus 2, that is giving you 3. Definitely 3 is that number. It is divisible by 3. It means that it is true for n is equal to 1. The second one, it, n is equal to k. 5 having power k minus 2 having power k. We are supposing that is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. We have supposed it. It is true for n is equal to k and it is divisible by 3. Now we need to prove for the n is equal to k plus 1. It's divisible by 3. This is the statement. Now, we will replace n with the k plus 1. And we need to prove it is also divisible by 3. What we have seen here, 5 having power k and minus 2 having power k. It is a surety it is divisible by 3. We can split up like this. It's minus 2. What we can do to make it like this, like for example, if we will focus here and this one, it means that if we will take common, then the number should be same. Like it should also have 5. What we can do? 5 minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 will become minus 2. What do you think? Just see the spotlight. How I will get this idea? Just see here. 5 having power k minus 2 having power k, it's a surety it is divisible by 3. Now we need to make like this. How can we make it? Like n will be replaced by k plus 1. We have split 5 having power k and 5 having power 1. 2 having power k and 2 having power 1. If we want to make like this one, it means that the common, the 5 should have both. The 5 is here, the 5 should also be here. But it is 2 here. So we cannot take it common. We cannot make like the previous board that I have shown you. But what the technique with the help of this idea that we need 5 and it is 2 here. So what we can do, the minus 5 and plus 3 is minus 2. It means that we can split this 2 into minus 5 plus 3. Like I'm changing the color as well. Like 5 k, 5 is already here. 2 having power k is already here. This 2 is replacing by 5 plus 3 2k. I hope it is clear. 5 you can write it down before as well. There is no issue. All are multiplying. You can write it down in this way. What is your learning? 5 having power. 5 is common. When we will take it common, it will become 5k minus 2k. And it is exactly same that we have here. It means that if it is valid for it, the multiple of it is also valid for this one as well. Like, for example, if 5 is common and it is valid, the multiple of 5, it is also valid. Now, come on the previous, like 3.2 having power k. 3 into 2 having power k. What we have learned in the last question, we have learned it is divisible by 3. The statement is very much clear. It is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. The multiple of 3 will definitely give you that value that is also be divided with the 3. We can take an example for your understanding only. Like for example, is 3, 2. For example, I'm supposing 3. 2 having power, this one. You can also like 3, 5, 125 minus 8. You can check 125 minus 8 is 117, and 117 multiplied by 5 is 585, and 585 it is divided by 3. Yes, when it is divided by 3 we will get 195. And similarly 3 into 8, 8 3 is 24. 24 is also divided by 3. It is very clearly mentioned. It's also divided by 3. It is also divided by 3. It means that the whole statement is easily divided by 3. Why I have done this one? Only for your understanding. Although the question is complete here. You can say that it is valid for n is equal to k plus 1 as well.